Hello, children. This is your English teacher Joanne, and today's topic is gender. So, let's begin. So, gender of a noun indicates whether a person or an animal we are referring to is male or female. So, gender of a noun. So, when we talk about noun here, it emphasizes on person, animal, and things. And the basic differentiation between human beings and animals is understood through gender. Like you can see over here, it's written that grammatically, gender is a system of noun classification. A common gender classification includes masculine and feminine categories when we are talking about humans. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals, whereas feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. So now let's go ahead with its types. So the first one that we are going to consider is masculine gender. So nouns that refer to males only are said to be masculine gender. So as you can see in the picture, there are examples given of you can see animals and male masculine gender, which is horse, king, monk, bullock, ram, tailor, wizard, and drone. These are few examples of masculine gender. Now let's go ahead with the other type, which is the feminine gender. As you all know that there is masculine, which refers to male, so the other one is feminine, which obviously refers to females. Alright, and as you can see, the examples over here is like mother, daughter, girl, grandmother, woman, queen, and there are more examples. You can check out the internet also for that. So now the third one is common gender, which can be either female or male. Now the best way to understand is, like for example, your teacher. Now your teacher, you have your maths teacher Anisa, who is male, and you have a teacher, for example me, I am a female and I teach you English. But when we talk about the noun teacher, so it is a common gender. Why? Because your teacher can be either female or your teacher can be male. Alright, so another example for a common gender would be a dog. Now, for example, if there is a dog on the road and you don't know its gender, so you cannot refer it as he or she. So we would definitely call it just a dog. So that would be a common gender. Alright. So in the slide you can see more examples of common gender, which is student, spouse, and friend. And one more interesting fact about common gender is that we use common gender for professions and ranks so that we can avoid discrimination. Now let's move ahead with the last and the fourth type of gender, which is neuter gender. This basically refers neither to male or female, and these are usually non-living things like book, pen, and school. And there are more examples given in the picture which explains better. Like you can see in the picture, which is given, the first example is a mountain. So over here you cannot call a mountain either a female or male, so obviously it is a neuter gender. The other one also is like cloud and dress. So these are all examples of neuter gender. So children, that was about gender and its type. I hope you all understood what is gender, and we will discuss rest in class. Thank you.